Hi och välkommen. Today we're going to learn the months in Norwegian. Let's get started. In Norwegian, the word for month is måned. Here are the 12 months of the year in Norwegian. Januari, januar. Februari och februar. March, mars. April, april. May, maj. June, juni. Juli, juli. August, august. September, september. Oktober, oktober. November, november. December, december. Januar, februar. Mars, april. Maj, juni. Juli. August, september. Oktober, november, december. Flott jobbet. Great job. Now you know the months in Norwegian. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. We post new Norwegian lessons every day.